My car, plenty of shit. Yeah. Hey, cool. Well, this cafe on my planet at Dexon, man. I'll go out there and buy a bunch of drinks to play. Yeah, he seemed like cool people when they came out. They didn't even know how to time. You know, sometimes they're doing smart. Anyway, I don't know what this place. Pretty cool, man. Edison Drive, Edison Memorial. Oh, fuck, man. We are stuck in that. Yeah. Well, cool. Yeah, I'm alive. And you get shot. Oh. Fucking, what the fuck, man? Saying that earlier. I don't know. Fucking chair. You really need it. I got everything. Yes. I mean, I use my left hand to pull this fucker. Oh, cool. Ralph's Frost looks like they hang out well halfway. Oh, cool. Go in and have a couple of drinks before you go back to the job. Look at Ralph's Frost here. Yeah, UPS, yeah, supposed to get advantage of this Saturday. I don't know, I might go out to eat with my sisters, but I might wait until it comes. Fuck is that on me? Fuck is that? B? I don't know, that's weird. Alright, love it, hey. I like that Honda. That's a little cool, little cute car. Alright, that's my show today. Or my shift today, Thursday. Friday, I'll go to Memphis or Zion. Maybe St. Thomas. Go outside of downtown. And then Saturday I go downtown. I'm gonna try to do that alleyway. That's that art painting I like. Alright, check out. Yeah, that's how it looks. Far away. Pretty cool, yeah. Alright, love and hate.